This is our Devanti Air Fryer. There is a frying basket at the bottom, and it's very easy to take out the frying basket. We've been using this for more than 6 months, and just look at the inside. It looks like it's brand new. So there is a button over here and a safety catch. We just need to press this button to lift up the frying basket. The base is all non-stick coat, so it's very easy to wash. And in terms of using the function, it's very easy. We just press the up and down button over here to adjust the temperature, up and down button over here to adjust the time in minutes. So with the temperature, it goes all the way down. The minimum temperature, I think it's 80 degrees. And the maximum temperature, that's 200 degrees. And that's how we adjust the time. So every time we just press the on button, set the temperature we want, set the minutes we want, and go. That's the start button. And sometimes we may need to flip our food, so we can press the pause button. It will remember the settings. We can pull it out, do all the food flipping and everything. It still remembers the settings. When I push it back and press continue, it still continues the settings that we previously have set. So this is how we set the temperature and the minutes. So when we press off, sometimes it just continues to blow, and I believe that is to dry it or something. We can still pull it up. And there is another thing I want to show you, which is this M button. These are the multiple modes, quick settings that we can go with. So there is chicken, beef, fish, and I believe that is baking a cake, and fries, muffin, prawns, and I don't know what this last one is. The one we use most is the muffin because it retains the moisture pretty well. Once we have it in the quick settings mode, it just basically sets everything and off it goes. We don't use it much. Most of the time we simply set the temperature, set the time, and off it goes. Very easy to use. So that's the Devanti Air Fryer for you.